What's up, people? New video from Passion Online Income, where in today's video I'm going to be talking about the number one reason why many of the self-publishers fail in their self-publishing business. By the way, do you like my new shirt? It's a beautiful shirt from Versace. Anyways, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you guys do get notified my latest upcoming videos. So let's get back to the topic now. So the number one reason why most of the self-publishers fail in their self-publishing businesses, should I say it or should I not? I don't know, sometimes when I make these videos there are a few of my followers and many of them are my friends and my business associates who keep telling me that I'm giving quite a lot of info, but then that's fine. I want to help as many people as I can. If you guys do get value from my information, the person who's going to be the most happiest in this world is going to be me. I want to see as many entrepreneurs that I can, especially women, because lately I just see so many women intimidated, with the concept of starting their own businesses, relying on their husbands, relying on their parents. Just makes me sad. I want to see as many financially free women that I can, and at the same time men too. The reason why I have soft corner for women is mainly because when I was a kid, it was my mom who raised me alone. My dad left us at a time when I was a toddler. So I've seen the hardships of life through the eyes of my mom. Anyways, enough of melodrama. Back to the topic now. So the number one reason why most of the self-publishers fail in the self-publishing business is because they do not treat this business as a proper, legit business. Yes, that's right. Many of them, when they get started, they think of this as some sort of a get-rich-quick scheme where they get out, put, those shitty books, which could be low-content books with any valuable information, and then they expect it to be miracles, or they expect those books to turn into gold mines. But working with that kind of a mindset or working with that kind of a concept is going to be detrimental for your business. What you need to understand is, when you do your research, let it be your keyword research, let it be your market research within the Amazon platform, you need to be finding what exactly are the books or keywords that people are using to search on Amazon platform, and write this down again, only on the Amazon platform, because this is the platform where you're really going to mint loads and loads of money. So you're going to be concerned particularly about the Amazon platform alone. Draft to Digital, Ingram Spark, all these platforms are there. They do exist. You can make use of them later on, but what you need to be focusing on or prioritizing on is the Amazon platform first. So focus on the Amazon platform, check out the keywords which are most profitable, and having said that, you also need to ensure that there is low competition in that particular niche. Or let's say you find a particular keyword, let's say SQL programming, for example. You need to go and check out if SQL programming keyword in the SQL programming niche, or in the computer programming niche, to be more precise, is having good demand or not. Does it have good amount of competition or not? If it has a good amount of competition, then you need to be looking into a different niche, or perhaps you can look in the same niche itself but try to come up with a different keyword that has less competition but super demand, which is going to make sure that your books are going to turn out into a profitable entity. So focus on that. Second thing, now once you've made your decision, alright, to go with a certain keyword, do not base your decision on one factor alone. You need to check and look into quite a lot of factors. You need to go by the reviews, you need to check the rankings, you need to check how well can you use this keyword and build a chain of books out of it. Alright, don't just focus on one particular keyword alone. Don't just focus on SQL programming. Try to find out other relevant keywords which you can come up with or create an umbrella or pyramid from those range of books alone, so that your customers or readers have plethora of options when they come and check your pen name or author name. They're just going to be taken into a page where they'll be able to see all the books that has been published by a company or by yourself, and accordingly they'll be having lots of other options. Yeah, so don't remember that if you want to excel in this business, you really need to treat it as a proper business. I just see so many people failing in this business because mainly they just get into it thinking, okay, just because I'm passionate about bodybuilding, let me get out and put up a book on bodybuilding. But you need to understand, who on earth is going to buy your book if you're not a famous author, or if you're not a famous publishing house, right? Come on, you got to be smart. You got to think practically, be more pragmatic, and then come up with avenues which will help you turn this self-publishing business into a profitable venture. And in order to do that, the best way of getting started is by doing your proper market research. So don't take the market for granted, guys. Don't take Amazon for granted. Yes, there is heavy competition, but there are also so many profitable niches in which you can get in and pump out profitable books. So do your market research properly. Check out the keyword profitabilities, and think of and this is the important thing. When you select one particular keyword, don't just focus on that particular keyword alone. Try to find other 3 or 4 keywords which will be relevant or relatable to the first keyword that you've already found out. And how well can you create a stack of books out of it? How can you build a series out of it? That's what you need to think of, and just start working on. Simple. That's how I build my business, guys. And today people ask me, how is it that I enjoy this digital lifestyle? How is it that I tend to go for holidays? How is it that I tend to pamper myself? How is it that I tend to live this life king size? It's because of one reason. I treat each and every business of mine as my own babies, and I give a lot of importance to it. I build them, I nurture them, I condition them, and I set them under strong, robust pillars. If you can start doing it, you'll start seeing the results and difference. All right, hope you got enough value and information from this. We'll talk to you guys soon. Till then, you guys take care. God bless.